Keep your data safe, compliant, and at low cost. Welcome to our next Hot Chair episode. My name is Pfister, and I'm the CMO of Data Migration International. I hope you are on the right track and are ready for compelling insights about data management. Today, the topic is about data retention management and GDPR. Together with Ralf of Data Migration International, we will explain you how you can keep your data safe, compliant, and at low cost. I hope you get some insights from today's Hot Chair episode, and we look forward to speak with you. So let's get started. Ralf, what is the impact of retention management and why companies should go for it?
Well, Tom, retention management ensures legal security and lowers risks. How would you intend to explain to your board of directors that they have to pay a heavy fine or even go to jail because IT forgot to delete an email that no longer needs to be kept? How would you justify that your company has to pay up to 4% of the annual turnover because you have not managed to apply the European General Data Protection Regulation to the digital archives? Compliance risks are real, expensive, and often board members and managing directors are personally liable. Retention management is a very effective medicine, if you like, against these risks.
Well, that sounds good, Ralf. But what are some of the challenges when it comes to retention management?
When it comes to retention management, many companies are in a bit of a schizophrenic situation. They know that the various compliance requirements not only apply to operational, but also to historical data and documents. But because they don't know a suitable technical solution to this problem, they suppress the associated risks in order to be able to sleep peacefully. The truth is, they haven't searched hard enough. Because there is a solution to this problem. Our Chief's information management platform that ensures there will be no rude awakening.
Well, well said. Definitely nobody wants to have indeed a rude awakening, Ralf. So what is the killer solution you're offering to manage retention management then?
Well, our Chief's information management platform clears up a misunderstanding. Historical information is at least as valuable as operational data because the intellectual property of a company and its experience is stored in them, especially those industries that currently are under fire, whether from newcomers of the corona pandemic or climate change, can benefit from this. Doesn't it say that only those who know their past do have a future? I mean, information is no longer needed in operational business, should therefore be transferred to our platform in order to manage its life cycle and legally secure deletion.
Well, there must be some sort of ROI if you want to go for that. So what are the customers getting when using Chiefs, and why do you think actually that it is so special, Ralf?
Well, only smart and data-driven companies will survive. I mean, that's a fact, because only them will be flexible enough to successfully adapt to profound structural changes or massive shocks. In other words, only those are resilient enough. Even in a strong wind, a stalk does not break because it's flexible. At the same time, only those can be innovative in the long run that are being their biggest competitor themselves. To do this, they must be able to fully integrate their historical information into their analysis, because only then they will have a 360-degree view of customers, suppliers, production and logistics processes, etc. When their legacy is fully available to them in their digital future, they start from the pole position into digitization. The fact that this is possible is what makes our Chief's information management platform so unique.
Yeah, I agree. Well, these are certainly some high-value strategic benefits the customer can gain. However, are there some more tangible ones? Could you elaborate a little bit on that, Ralf?
Oh, definitely, yes, Tom. By using our Chief's information management platform, customers can shut down their legacy systems and save up to 80% in operating costs. 80%, 80. When switching to new generations, they can drastically reduce the volume of data to be transferred by 80 to 95%. This enables them to cut the effort in such transformation projects in half at the same time. In addition, they lay the foundation for fully legal security because the legacy information remains 100% accessible and, of course, audit-proof. And especially for existing SAP customers, it is important. As an integral part of the SAP S/4HANA landscape, our Chief's information management platform helps to reduce total cost of ownership by 25%. Tom, honestly, how many solutions can claim to contribute so much to short-term savings and at the same time, long-term strategic advantages?
Yeah, I mean, interesting. But I'm also wondering, Ralf, what are some of the other use cases Chiefs could be utilized for?
Well, today companies need one thing above all, and that's agility. Many industries are currently being shaken to their foundations. You react with agile business and IT scenarios. For example, mergers and acquisitions or business divestitures, harmonization and consolidation of application and data center landscapes, as well as the optimization of data quality, an incredibly important point for digitization and the goal of the intelligent data-driven company. In addition to that, there are scenarios such as the right sizing of application environments in preparation for transformation projects or the move to the cloud, compliance and risk management projects, but also the decommissioning of old systems, which can already achieve massive cost savings in the short term. In all of these scenarios, however, an often overlooked topic plays a crucial role, the life cycle of information. And this is exactly where our Chief's information management platform shows its advantages to the fullest.
Ralf, love it. I love it. But how fast can you get such a solution implemented? Must be quite a challenge. Or
the pure implementation on site or in the cloud can be done within a day or even within a few hours. The specific duration of the project depend on many technical and organizational criteria and can therefore only be determined on a case-by-case basis. We have developed a standardized questionnaire for this purpose, and based on the information in these answers, we can estimate the effort and duration maybe within a day.
So do you cover certain geographies, or which geographies basically do you cover with your solution? And do you support customers all over the world or just in Germany and Switzerland?
Okay, yeah, that's a good one. Our Chief's information management platform is usually over 1,000 projects worldwide. So we cover the globe, if you like. We are globally positioned and have our own branch in the US and the headquarters based in Kreuzlingen in Switzerland.
And what is the price if you want to take advantage of such a next generation information management solution?
I thought you would ask. Well, the functional scope and pricing are defined on a project-specific basis. Customers can choose to subscribe to the platform's functionality as a service, if they like, enabling them to transfer capital expenditure into operating expenditure.
All right. And do you have any customer examples, customer reference stories you can elaborate a bit?
Yeah, well, our customers come from a wide variety of industries and markets. Medium-sized and more regionally oriented companies can be found in our customer base as well-known global brands such as ABB, InBev, Alstom, Mercedes, or Commerzbank, or many others. They achieve cost advantages, more flexibility and agility thanks to our Chief's information management platform.
Well, definitely impressive customer base. Thank you, Ralf, for talking about that. Last but not least, who are your partners which you collaborate and scale basically to be able to serve this impressive customer base around the world?
Yeah, very important point. We have built an international partner ecosystem that we are very proud of. Our partnerships are located at all levels: technology, sales, as well as implementation and services. In this context, we must, of course, mention our cooperation with SAP, but also with large international system integrators such as KPMG or Deloitte. But we also have local partners who are highly regarded in their markets. Recent examples are the sub-partner Orbis from Saarbrücken or the data management partner PTY Limited in South Africa.
Thank you very much, Ralf, for this insightful hot share episode. This is Tom Pfister, CMO of Data Migration International, and thanks to our listeners all over the world for attending Chief's hot share episode. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot and bye.
Bye-bye.